Hi, I'm Olivia Giacomo. My student ID number is 3172370, and this is fall 2018 for VTHT 1301, Introduction to Veterinary Technology. Hi, I'm Olivia Giacomo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a toenail trim on a dog. So here we have Shiloh. And she just needs a toenail trim. She has clear toenails. So first we have our supplies ready. A pair of toenail trimmers for a dog, and I'm using the guillotine style, and some styptic powder. This is Quick Stop brand, and you can buy this commercially. It's just powder. So I'm going to show you how to do toenails on a toenail trim on your dog. And this is Shiloh. So the two parts of the dog's toenails is the thick outer shell and the inner cuticle, which contains blood vessels and nerves, and that part's called the quick. So that's the part we want to avoid clipping, because if you do cut the quick, it's painful to the dog and it will bleed. So we want to avoid clipping that because, you know, it will bleed and be painful, and also it'll cause the dog to be more fearful during future toenail trims. So I'm just going to show you how to do this. And some dogs lay down like her. So see, she's already laying down for me. And then I'm just going to grab her paw. So right here, can you see it? This is the clear part, and the pink part is the quick. And just come closer if you have to. It's okay. So the pink is the quick, and then the clear part is the part we're gonna cut. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off that clear part, and then a little more off the top. Then on the next one, the same thing, just take off the clear part.
Stay.
And also on the dew claw. Okay, and then move on to the next foot. Hold on.
Stay tuned.
And just keep taking off just that clear part of the nail.
Stay.
And don't hit the pink part. There we go. And then in the event that you do clip it quick, all you have to do is get your quick stop, open it up, and you can just pour some of the powder onto the cap. Then all you want to do is pour powder onto the cap and just gently push the nail into the powder. And if you do have a bleeder, then that will stop the bleeding. And that's how you do a dog toenail trim. All right.
Sit down.
Good girl. And then give positive reinforcement. Then they'll be happy. Hi, I'm Olivia Giacomo, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a toenail trim on a dog with black nails.
Okay.
So here we got Chica, and she has all black toenails. So I'm just going to show you how to identify where the quick will be in black toenails. And the quick is just the cuticle inside of the nail that has the blood vessels and nerves. So we want to avoid that as best we can because it's painful and will make the dog yelp sometimes, and it will bleed. So we have our supplies: toenail trimmers and styptic powder for quick stop. So we got everything ready, and I'll show you how to try to see where the quick is in black nails here. So it's a bit harder than clear because we can't visually see it, but we can still estimate where the quick will be and see the nail kind of changes and has some cracks in there. So usually that part is the part we can take off with the cracks and stuff. So we just go slow and take off a little bit at a time. And see, it's not bleeding, but that's about as far as we want to go because we don't want to hurt her. And so you just take that little hook off the end, push the hair back so you can see, so you can kind of see where the nail changes. And just go easy, and then you can take off more if you feel like you can get more off. See, again, there's like a little bit of a crack there, and then it turns color a bit. Hi, I'm Olivia Giacomo, and I'm going to show you how to do a toenail trim on a cat. So first we have our supplies, a pair of toenail trimmers and Quick Stop styptic powder. And so first, for cats, you have to push on their paw to expose the actual toenail. So I'm going to show you how to identify the quick, and that's the cuticle inside of the toenail that contains blood vessels and nerves. So we want to avoid clipping the quick. So I have a holder here to help restrain her, and you just want to be gentle and only scruff if you have to. So to look where the quick is, you can see the pink part, and then the clear part is the part we're going to clip. And then also, before I do the clipping, if we do hit a quick, all you have to do is pour Quick Stop into the lid, then you can just apply it to the nail till it stops bleeding. So that's what we do if we hit one. So I'm going to show you how to do it here. So just expose it and clip. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Almost done. And then just, I know. One more. There. Alright. That's how you trim a cat's toenails, and just do the best you can. Hi, I'm Olivia Giacomo at Willapa Veterinary Service. Today I'm going to be showing you how to give your dog a pill. So here we have Lucy, and she's on Cosequin. So it's a joint supplement to help with her arthritis, and it is prescribed by a veterinarian. So we're just going to be showing you how to give your dog a pill using Lucy here. So first, what I'm going to make her do is sit, and I'm either going to put her in a corner or put my foot behind her, because then I know that she can't back up on me. Then, after she sits, I'm going to tilt her head up and place the pill at the back of the throat with my dominant hand while using my non-dominant hand to open her mouth. So I'm going to show you how to do it here. So she's sitting, I have my foot behind her. So lift the head, open the mouth, place the pill at the back of the throat, close, and then when she looks like that, she swallowed. So usually when you see a tongue, they swallowed. Good girl. Then just give some positive reinforcement to let them know that they're doing good. Alright, and that's how you pill your dog. See you next time. Hi, I'm Olivia Giacomo, and today I'm going to show you how to give your cat a pill. So here we have Aria, and she got spayed the other day. So we're going to give her Oncior, and the drug name is Ropenacoxib. I don't know if I said that right. But it's a pain medication and anti-inflammatory, so it'll decrease pain after a surgery and also help with inflammation. And it's prescribed by a veterinarian. So here's the pill. And we have our blanket. So first, I'm going to wrap her in a little cat burrito so that it's easier to control her. Then I'm just going to scooch her against me so she can't back up anywhere. So what I'm going to do is use my pointer and thumb to poke the pill in her mouth, and I'm going to use my middle finger to help open her lower jaw, and my left hand to open her mouth. So first, lift her head, and put your left hand on the top of the mouth. Then use your middle finger to help open up the bottom. Then stick the pill at the back of the mouth and close. And if you don't see them lick right away, just try to rubberneck and keep your mouth closed and hold the head up till we see her swallow. There we go. So now her tongue came up. Good girl. And there you go. That's how you pill your cat. Giacomo, and today I'm going to show you how to catch urine on a dog. So first we have our dog on a leash so that I can stay close to him. And this is a catch cup for the urine. So what you want to do, the goal is to try to catch the urine midstream, because that will minimize the amount of contaminants that pass through the urethra. So I'm going to try my best to catch it midstream, like wait 1 or 2 seconds while she starts to go to urinate, and then going to try to catch some. So let's see what we got. Come on, baby. Good girl. Okay, so there's our urine collection. I waited a few seconds and then caught some, so now we just want to put the lid on so no contaminants drop into it, and then we'll send this to lab, and that's how you collect urine on a dog. Hi, I'm Olivia Giacomo, and today I'm going to show you how to apply a gauze muzzle to a dog. So the reason you would want to apply a gauze muzzle is if you just don't have the right size muzzle, or you don't have any like store-bought muzzles at all. So we have our cling gauze here. We have cling gauze, and you can use 1 inch or 2 inch, but I'm going to use 1 inch because it's a smaller dog. So first what you want to do is stay behind the pet or on the side of the pet and just make a loop, pretty big but not too big. Then put it over the top of their muzzle. Then come down around and loop it around the bottom. Then come behind the ears. And for this part you can just make a quick tie that you can pull easily to release. So the dog's muzzle should be so that they can breathe comfortably, but they can't open their mouth to bite. And then with our quick release tie, if you need to take it off in an emergency or just really quick if the dog is getting anxious, then you can just pull it and just slide off. And that's how you apply a gauze muzzle to a dog.